here. You see it?
Yeah, there you go. Come on, light up, lightning bug. Where'd you go? There he goes, guys. See the lightning bug? Poor buddy. Trying to wake him up. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go?
There's one right here, you see it? You see that one right there?
Yeah. Oh, there goes right there. Goes another one. Here they go. Here they go. These are the lightning bugs, baby. Yeah, my lightning bug. So, New York lightning bugs, baby. Strong Island in the house. There you go, baby. Light up, baby. Yeah, there you go. Making him light up. He's trying to run away from me, but he can't.
Oh, this one's leaving.
Come on, guys. Yeah, there we go, ladies and gentlemen.
Where'd he go?
There we go. Yeah, light up, boy. That's our lightning bugs out here. My buddy. If I was to squash him, I could write my name with him. But I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't do that. I'm not a mean guy like that. I got a heart.
Do you?
Yes, I do. Facebook, I have a heart. This is for y'all down south that don't get no lightning bugs. My little buddy's right there at a commission. He's trying to fly away, but BG ain't letting him. Oh, he's on my finger. Oh shit, he was just on my finger, dude. Yo, he just on my finger. That was kind of cool.